Here we go.
Today we're gonna learn how to drop in on a skateboard off a ramp that has a little bit of vert, but you can't even ride down it. You just like plop in. Sound good?
Yep.
Let's go, Bo.
What a stupid dropping.
You know, you really call that stupid? You're stupid as a thingin'.
A thingy? What's a thingy? Like a weedy?
A witta?
A little weedy.
A witta is you. Well, first what you do is you put your foot on the end of the board right on the coping in the top of the vert ramp.
Okay, Bo. Mobo. You stupid-o. Goodbye-o.
Okay, then you step up. Then what you want to do is quickly put your foot on like that, but I'm not going to do it.
Push down, push down, push down.
And then push down and lean forward.
Come on, Tony Hawk's little uncle. I mean cousin. Oops.
Fine.
Go. Woo! Tony Hawk's cousin is so good, isn't he?
That's, my friend, is how you skateboard. And always remember, danger, Fox Racing, Giro, Vans off the wall. Alpine Shop also rocks. And also this thing, I don't know what it
A
is,
freaking rat.
but it's awesome. Maxxis.
Helmets
Maxxis
are
has-
sexy.
Helmets are sexy too. 661. Spokes bloke. Vans and Giro. Let's get done. Good